Wow, so these are the logos you created?
Mm-hmm. Some of them. This customer was.
Oh, this guy has a painting company.
Yeah, they ended up going with that one, which is good because it's easy to print,
sweet.
Easy to upload, easy to read. Like that's all you want. It's something so simple.
Go back to that other one. That
one?
was sweet. We're sitting here with Lauren Banish of LB Designs 205, and
here's some more. I haven't.
You know that this is going to be the first video on your YouTube channel, so go back to the other one.
On my YouTube channel?
Yep, to promote your business. This is
marketing
at its finest. Yeah, you guys got to see this. Marketing at its finest. Right here, right now, she pulls up the laptop. She's showing some of the logos she's created. Look at those. Now that's badass. And you supply all the vector files.
All the vector files, yeah.
So
your
they
print
can get
ready files.
Made into a t-shirt, printed onto a car magnet, printed onto business cards, printed onto anything. You can blow that thing up the size of a billboard, right? How long have you been doing this?
Over a decade.
So your whole life?
My whole life. Well, my dad's a graphic designer too, so.
Bachelor's degree, graphic designer. So you got sick of your job and you finally decided to be /stay-at-home mom freelancer.
Freelancer, yeah. I decided to go on my own.
Just show us one more so they can get a...
this was another customer. I doubt I did.
Click the link in the description below this video if you want to hire her. This card, logo, graphic design, or she does a complete business and social media rebranding kit, which is, what do you make? The Facebook, the YouTube?
I can do your cover page, this card, cover page, the t-shirt design, because that's good to have when you take it to a screen printing company. I worked for a screen printer for many years. And
like a whole
you can do like a package. It's like 4 or 5 things, five things in there. I know.
That's exciting.
But all the artwork that I give you is scalable and can be brought to any printer for anything anyway.
Show us one more before we wrap the video.
I don't know, which one?
My sister. I am your brother-in-law.
Yeah.
One more.
Oh, and I'm working on a flyer right now for this customer. I haven't released this one yet. I haven't released this one yet because we're still waiting. The smiley face is where I want to put his picture. But, so we're still waiting on a little bit of information, but I'm working on that one for him right now. This. Yeah, it
looks sweet.
Yeah. Like how I did like a little dingy lawn.
Yep. Cool. So there you go. Now you're going to say your spiel. Tell them what to do.
Well, we haven't had all that set up yet because we're like working on.
But they will.
You can check me out on Facebook though. My LB Designs 205 on Facebook.
Yeah, the link will be in the description below.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go. Hire her, and you're in good hands.
What's up? What's up? Keith Kalfas here. So this is really cool. I've got my sister-in-law with me, my wife's sister, and she's a professional, like totally legit graphic designer her whole life. She worked for a company as a head graphic designer, and she does logos, brochures, t-shirts, graphic design for flyers, business cards, door hangers, all types of stuff. And she, here's her behind the story. I'll let her talk in a minute, and I'll ask her a couple quick questions. But she actually left her full-time job to become a stay-at-home mom, and she does freelance graphic design. She actually created a lot of the designs for me when I first got started in my small business, like putting out flyers for gutter cleaning, things like that. And the cool thing about a digital flyer is you can put it on your Facebook page and all this stuff. So we're doing a little thing. She's putting together her website. It might already be up by the time that you see this video, but I wouldn't be promoting her stuff on my website and attaching it if she wasn't literally. She's good at it. She knows what she's doing. But anyways, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So you're a stay-at-home mom?
I am, with 2 little boys.
Good for you. How long have you been doing graphic design?
Well, about 15 years, I want to say. Yeah.
And you have a bachelor's degree?
I have a bachelor's degree in graphic design. Yep.
And my wife, you guys come home from a whole family of graphic designers and printers.
We do. I mean, I do have an education behind it, but my dad is a very talented graphic designer too. So, and I learned from the best.
Can you pull up that thing real quick while I'm talking of all the different logos? So you can check. I'll attach some of her work and stuff like that, and then you can click to sign up and order her services. And the cool thing about it, the reason why is, instead of you like hiring somebody a service on the internet, which there are a lot of good services, you can actually communicate back with her, and she will create a custom, specific, tailored logo design business card exactly tailored to what you want and what you expect, and then do revisions back and forth until you're totally happy. So you're getting this unique one-on-one service that's totally worth it. I've ordered stuff before off cheaper websites, and I like maybe 1 out of 4, 1 out of 5, I'll get one that I like, and I've had people be like, I'd be like, dude, what? Oh my God, because time is so valuable. So, did you pull it up?
Yes, I did.
So here's some a percentage of the stuff she does. So, I've tried myself. Oh, shut up. That was just one logo for like one company or whatever. Mm-hmm. So she could do like landscaping and window cleaning logos with anything that you want. Lawnmowers, weed whips, grass, all types of stuff. But the thing is, she has the mind of a graphic designer, so when you tell her something, she knows how to do all the crazy fonts and stuff. Yeah. What are your favorite fonts?
My favorite fonts? Oh, I
like, you know what the hell that means.
I like really simple ones, I guess.
Name off
really
a
hard.
font.
Probably Century Gothic's one of my favorite. Futura.
See,
these are just like simple sans serif
Century
fonts, but there's the amount of fonts that are available and that I would think of for anybody's particular logo. I mean, you're talking tens of thousands that I would probably go through just to pick.
She's weird, man. I asked her. I'm sorry I'm cutting you off, but I literally asked her the name of a font the other day because I'm like, hey, what's this? And she goes like, oh, it's the serif font logo, Particle 3, number 52.
We call it nerd talk, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it's graphic design talk.
There you go. If you're interested in graphic design, you happen to need it for your business, enough of the long-winded story. Click the link in the description below, and you got to pay to play, so you got to pay first because it's an actual legit service, and her time is extremely valuable. But you can get in contact with her, and she'll create a custom, specific, tailored logo and graphic design for you. And she also does a whole social media branding package where you can get like your business card, your logo, your door hanger, flyer, brochure, and even Facebook banners and all that stuff. And then you get to keep it all. It's all yours. Cool?
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!